Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a origami whale. And this model is a difficult model. So you're going to start with one square piece of origami paper, and you're going to start with colored side up. And you're going to fold one corner to the opposite corner. And you're going to crease well, and then unfold. And rotate your paper, and repeat. And then unfold. Now you're going to turn your paper over, like that. And you're going to fold all four edges to the center crease, but only to this diagonal crease. And you're just going to do this to all four edges. Remember, always only fold to that diagonal crease. Okay. Okay. So now that you have that done, you're going to fold both the creases on one side. Fold it and fold it over down there. Okay. Then do the same thing here. Okay, so now that you have that, the next step is to fold these middle corners outward to the side corners. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to bring those creases to the center horizontal crease. Okay, and you're going to open this up, fold the first creases down, and then that up, just like that, and the same thing on this side. Okay, so now that you have that done, that'll form the fins of your whale. Next step is to fold this bottom corner up to the center horizontal crease and unfold. Turn your model over and fold the bottom corner to the two side corners. And then unfold. And you're going to fold your model in half, and when you do, you're going to fold in the tail using the creases made in the previous steps. Okay, now you're going to release this paper. Then repeat. Okay. Now you're going to fold it down. Unfold. And then tuck it in. Okay. So once you have that done, you're going to fold this part of the tail down. And then you're going to open up and fold it inwards. Now you're going to fold that part of the tail down, and turn your model over and do the same thing. Fold it down, and then fold the top tips of the tail downwards. Okay, so now your tail's done. So now you're going to take this vertical crease right there. You're going to use it, and you're going to grab this, and you're going to move it over, just like that. And this will be starting the body. Now the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to fold this corner over, and then back up, and then down, and then over like that. And then you're going to open up your model and fold all those creases inside. So you're going to start with the first one. You're going to fold it outwards. Then you're going to fold it over, and then open it up and fold it down, and then over. Now you're going to take this little tip of the mouth and put it inside like that. Okay, and there's your mouth. Then you're going to take this little part and open it up to form the eye. And you're going to just open it up and squash it down. Okay, and there you go, an origami whale. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you might want to check out some of my other origami videos, or go to paperfoldingfun.com to find any of the printable PDFs or instructions for any of the models that you see here. So have a good day, keep folding, and I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Bye!